Just think about what an AI factory is. It has CPUs and GPUs. It has networking, switches, incredible amounts of software in systems connected to storage, and the miles of cables alone necessary to build up one of these things. Well, Michael turned it into an easy bit. And so that just as Dell did early days with PCs, they're now doing this with AI factories. So that any company can come to Dell and with a specification or the requirement, they could get into the business of producing. And this is the big idea, producing intelligence at scale.
Supply chain that creates intelligence. So if you think about a traditional factory, right, you've got all these ingredients, and we know a lot about supply chains. It's kind of what we do. But think about it as a supply chain to create intelligence inside your company. And to do that, it all starts with data, right? If you have no data, you have no AI, right? If you have bad data, you have bad AI. So you got to organize your data. It's something we know a lot about because data equals storage, and we store more data than anybody in the world. So you start with the data, and then you get into the ecosystem of all the software and the models that you're hearing about, the small and large models, the retrieval augmented generation. Of course, it's not just GPUs, it's also the networking and the storage and the memory that come together.
Every company in the world and every workflow for every company in every industry will be re-engineered.